Hey yo, YouTube, I'm Star. What's up, y'all? How y'all doing today, fellas, ladies? Howdy do? Here today in Syracuse, New York, y'all. I'm just chilling. Y'all can see it's nice and rainy and icky outside. But I felt like I'd get on here, man, just show y'all something a little different in the city. I've never shown y'all some of the good places to eat here, and I'm a big foodie. Today I was thinking I was going to try my Caribbean restaurant that I love here. And so I love Caribbean food, especially if it's by real Caribbeans, you know what I mean? So I'm going to go to this place that opened up here a couple years ago, and it's called Jamaica Cuse, all right? And I'm not quite sure what I'm going to order, though, but I figured out when I get there. I'm going to show you guys the location, how it looks and stuff like that. People do sit inside and eat and things like that, so I'll probably just show you guys the menu. The location, and then I want to show you guys, of course, my favorite westernized food place with the burger and fries. This place here in Syracuse is called Five Guys. Five Guys. I'm not sure how many you guys got Five Guys in your locations. I'm pretty sure they probably worldwide. It's really good food they got, and it's kind of pricey, but the burgers is worth it. Then they give you like a bag of fries. You can feed your whole family. So that's what we're gonna do, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and go over and shoot the Jamaica Cuse first. They mixed the name up, Jamaica and Syracuse. Jamaica Cuse. I like that's fly. But I'm gonna go to Jamaica Cuse first. I might get the curry chicken there, and at Five Guys, I just want to get a burger, shake, and fries. All right, just to show you guys the good food that we do have here, for all the foodies. All right, so ride with me, guys. See you in a minute. All right, guys, what's happening? It's your boy, Unc Too Funny, Mr. Syracuse, and we are back here at my favorite Caribbean spot, Jamaica Cuse. All right, I'm back. And right now, I think I'm gonna go with the usual, like I said before, guys, the curry chicken. I might do something I never tried before, too. Like, now, you know what? I'm gonna go ahead and rock out with the curry chicken. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna do the curry chicken. So this is my favorite spot here as far as Caribbean going in Syracuse. Jamaica Cuse, man. The menu not too shabby. The menu's not too shabby, but I'm gonna go with what I'm used to. You know what I mean? I'm gonna show y'all my favorite westernized food place too. Hold on, champ. What you doing? Picking up? All right. You probably want to step over there. I got an order right here. But yeah, I'm gonna order the curry chicken today, y'all. We'll go with the usual. So, all right. Hey sis, can I get a small curry chicken? Yeah. Oh, small curry chicken, ma'am. Thank you. So yeah, I'm gonna rock out with that. And then I'm gonna show y'all my favorite burger and fry place here in Syracuse too. They got a spot called, I'm not sure if I've seen it in New York, but they got a spot called Five Guys. So that's my favorite go-to place. That's my favorite go-to place as far as like westernized food. Everybody got a good burger and fry place, man. But this place kind of pricey, but the burgers is good though. So yeah. At Five, yes, this definitely is worth it. So, you know what I mean? Like Sis said, it's worth it at Five Guys. It definitely is, man. I ain't gonna lie, I pay for like 5 of us to eat there once a week, man. So, it's definitely worth it. But I'm gonna show you guys that next, all right? So, I'm gonna show you, we're gonna open up all the food when I get to the house and get settled. And then we'll bust the trays open. I'm gonna show you guys, how this thing is looking, all right? All right, guys, we're back here in the car. I have my first meal that I want to show you guys, and because I am making an empanadas tonight, so I don't want to buy too much food, but like I said, I'm a foodie, and I'm starving, and I know the minute I walk in this house, this curry chicken is going to be gone, so I'm going to have to make empanadas, but I definitely I got a taste for Five Guys also. I'm trying to think if I should bring you guys there today or tomorrow, but being that I already said I got to bring you guys there, I want to show you guys what I'm talking about if you don't have a Five Guys in your area. But like I said, we're here in Syracuse, New York. This is one of my favorite places here. Caribbean food, Jamaican Cuse. I just ordered the curry chicken. It looks wonderful. I'm gonna wait till I get to the house to go ahead and bust it open though, guys. So I'm gonna go to one more spot because I promised you guys I would. Five Guys. I'll see you when we get there. All right, guys, we're back here at the second location. It's kind of rainy and nasty outside, like I said already. But Five Guys, just want to show you guys the location, show you guys the menu. And this is Five Guys here in Syracuse, New York. I'm not sure how many of you guys got this same location inside your place, but this is Five Guys. All right, let's go order. All right, guys, this is the menu right here. It's not a shabby menu either. It's pretty big. So, but we already know what I'm shooting for already. I already told y'all what I'm getting. I'm gonna go the cheap route because you already see I grabbed the Caribbean food in the car already. We got that already. All right. Hey sis, can I order? Can I order? Right here. Okay. All right, I think I know what I'm getting already, guys. I'll take the 980, sis. Cheeseburger. That come with fries, right? Okay, I'll just take that. Yeah, can I bother you for a milkshake also after the food's done?
You want the little or the regular?
Regular's good.
What would you like on the burger?
Give me the whole thing. Give me the works. I'll take like everything, like lettuce, tomato.
Yeah, it comes with everything except for
Okay, cool. So that got fries with it, right?
No.
Oh, that don't? Okay, I'll order fries also. I'm sorry.
No, you're good.
Regular, I think you guys got?
Yeah, we have little, regular, and large. If you're trying to feed more than one person, then probably regular.
Okay. It's just me. It's just me. I'm just shooting a foodie tube for YouTube. So, yeah, I take a little.
And then you say you want a milkshake for later?
Yeah, I take the milkshake like after. Oh yeah, I take the milkshake after, sis. So okay, so I got the fries, got the burger. I take a chocolate milkshake, and I think that's it. I know it's gonna be like $100.
24.
All right, I gotta pay for this, guys. Hold on 1 second. You guys got me spending money like crazy all week. All right. Okay, guys, I got the cheeseburger. I got the little fries, and I went with the chocolate milkshake instead of the vanilla. I'm telling you, man, my taste buds change every 10 minutes. But I got the Caribbean food. We're gonna see how that looks later. And thank you so much. I got my change, and it wasn't much. It came to 24 bucks. And trust me, man. Listen. Excuse me, guys. All right, guys, I'm back one more time. Like I said, I got the cheeseburger, and I got a little fry because I got the Caribbean food in the car already. Remember, I got the curry chicken, and I got a milkshake here too. I should have got two of them, guys. I forgot, but that's all right. That's all right. So this is my favorite westernized food as far as burger and fries, and my Caribbean food. I showed y'all Jamaican Cuse already, man. So we're gonna test both foods out at the crib, see which one is best in a minute. We have both dishes. I completed both missions for you guys, and you know what I mean? See, I hate not having to set this camera up. I gotta buy me a thing to set this camera up, guys. I'm so unprofessional. But guys, we just came from Five Guys, man. I went to Caribbean place, Jamaica Cuse, and the Five Guys to show you guys how delicious this food is. Oh my goodness. This Five Guys meal came to, I think I told you guys already, but 24 bucks, watch. Man, how much was the, So Five Guys came to, does it even have the price on there? Oh no, it's on the bag. Oh, okay, look guys. So Five Guys came to, is that it right there? 24 bucks. 24 bucks. All right. And look what I got. I'm gonna show you guys what I got for 24 bucks. You might be like, what? All that money for that? It's worth it, guys. Watch this. But I got the Caribbean meal also. And this came to 16 bucks, guys, the curry chicken. All right, but let's go home, man, and see how this looks. It smells wonderful. Oh my goodness, I'm passing out, y'all. Once again, with this foodie channel, I want to end this thing off with a nice taste test, guys. And guess what? I got the favorite people in the world with me to taste this test, to do this test. Really, I'm gonna let them get crazy on this food. I just wanted to show you guys some of the good places that we do eat here in Syracuse. One was a Caribbean, one was Western. Burger and fries, you gotta have it. So, look who I got with me. I got my grandbabies.
Hi, guys.
I got my wife. And I got somebody blowing in the front. They ready to come in too and taste this food. So let's get to it. Hey! All right, guys. At the Jamaican restaurant earlier, I got this juice. I didn't even get to show y'all. Tropical Tropical Rhythms. So yeah. So here we go. I got the milkshake chocolate from Five Guys. That shit came to $24. And look, I want you guys to see this meal. This is what we're working with here. Look at this. I mean, it's worth it to me. It really is. I hate to say it because I didn't cook it, but you know what I mean? But these guys, they can cook their asses off there. Look how big this burger is. Look at that. $24, but look at all the fries they give you. They give you like a cup of fries, and then they just throw mad fries in the bag. Normally you get a lot more than this, but man, this is delicious. So yeah, I want to show you guys, how good this is. Hey, you guys dig in and eat what y'all want to eat. And tell me what's best. I'm gonna let the grandsons go ahead and split this milkshake. These milkshakes are perfect. Some of them come with fruit, like bananas in them, and other good stuff. So grandbabies, milkshake is yours.
Very good.
All right. So, babe, you wanna try this burger out and this curry chicken with me?
You know I do.
Okay, well let's get it because I want to show these people how this thing look real fast before I let my wife do the taster's test here. All right. Now this thing comes with quite a few additives. I got the curry chicken, guys. Babe, can you please show them that curry chicken because my hands are so wet and slimy. No, just pick the phone up. Yeah, just there you go and hover it over there.
Look at this.
Yeah, show them all that. We ain't got no light on. I'm sorry, guys. Oh my goodness, what am I doing?
So looking good, y'all.
All right, I'm sorry I didn't have the light on, guys. I'm sorry.
We got burgers.
But look at that. No, I want to show you guys the proper way. Hold on.
I can't wait to eat some of that.
Here we go. Boom. So guys, see that? That's curry chicken. So what we got in there, babe? Plantains. We got the rice, plantains. We got potatoes. Got chicken, carrots. And look how good that is. Like I said, I like curry food from Caribbean restaurants with real Caribbeans cooking it. Because in our restaurants, we was cooking curry chicken and all that good stuff. But it was selling, but it wasn't curry chicken. You know what I mean? Like the Jamaican curry chicken. So, babe, go ahead and give these good folks a good taster's choice and see what's going on.
Okay, let's see.
Go on, dig in that thing. Get that thing over there. Let them see you taste that thing and tell the truth.
Hang on, folks.
Hey, grandbabies, how is the milkshake?
I ain't tried it yet.
They didn't even try it yet, but I'm sure it's crazy.
I already tried mine.
This is a little different kind of foodie
I
channel I wanted to show
tried
y'all.
mine.
Where everybody, you know what I mean?
already
Can enjoy
tried
this good old stuff here. My grandson said his milkshake is banging. My other grandson said it too. He said it's banging. So y'all got to take their word for it.
I hope nobody
okay?
wants any.
Yeah, it's gone. This is gone. Pretty much gone. I'm going to go get a knife and I'm going to work into this burger. I'm going to cut this open a little bit. I'm going to work into that a little bit. Be careful with it, baby. All right, my grandson's grabbing a knife. Guys, I know what y'all thinking. $24 for that burger and fries? Hold on.
It's worth it.
Yeah. Plastic's good, baby. Look how big this burger is, guys. Look at this. That's
When
a
you try
man's
it,
burger.
It'll be well worth it.
Well, I'm gonna try
That's a
that.
man's burger. You gotta listen. And you heard what the lady said at the store. If you're gonna feed a lot of people, thank you, baby. If you're gonna feed a lot of people, get a medium fries. I got the small one like a dummy. You know what I'm saying? But I'm gonna go ahead and get that tomato on there, guys. Look how big this burger is, man. Hey, so when you're in Syracuse, man, you heard it first from the Mac family, from the Mr.Syracuse family. Hey, oh my, hey, guys. Right or right? Come on, man. I'm gonna show you guys. Come on, look, I gotta take a bite of this for you guys. Hold on. Look how big this burger is. Hey, you babies can dig in and eat whatever y'all want. Look how big this freaking burger is, bro. Who's gonna eat all this? Me.
With help.
I Everything's falling, guys. There's so much meat and stuff. Look at this.
Come on. Hold on. Wait. Can you help me?
Look at all that. Here it goes.
Nothing like this chicken, though.
My wife's bragging about the chicken.
Mm-hmm.
I gotta put this down for a second, guys. Oh my goodness, I gotta taste this chicken now.
Take that with you.
Babe,
Take it with you.
what? Babe, you think I can taste the curry chicken too? I didn't mean to stop you from eating.
Come
I didn't mean to.
on.
Let me just taste the curry chicken because you over here eating it like it's really good.
It really is.
Told y'all, this is one of my favorite places.
It really is.
Guys and girls,
I want a milk
ladies
tea.
and gents, I'm going for the rice first because they even seasoned their rice.
I can eat it, guys.
Oh my goodness, babe, wait, I didn't even get none there. But I went to sleep. You see that? They tried to take the whole bowl. Greedy gums.
But it's so good.
Chicken and carrots.
Please fall asleep.
And it's nice and moist. Guys, it's delicious. But today, I'm more of a burger and fry man myself today.
But don't
All
mind
right.
me.
So I'm gonna go ahead and dig right on up in this. Look at all that, how big that burger. Man, that burger bigger than me. It weighed more than me.
We ought to do food challenges all the time, baby.
We got to. So you went for the curry today. You had a more of a rice and curry and chicken palette today.
Yes.
I had the burger and fry palette today. The grandbabies, they had the milkshake palette. That's all they cared about. One baby took a bite of that burger and took off. He didn't give a damn. He had a milkshake. All right, battery's trying to die on us, but we don't care. We're going to rock out.
We're going to eat till there's none left.
Thank you, Five Guys. And it took 5 guys to make this burger.
I don't mind sharing both. Here you go.
Y'all lucky, because I wouldn't get y'all another bite. Baby, you think you can pass me that cup of fries?
I sure will.
I got a cup. They sell you cups of French fries, y'all.
Did you?
Like a drive-in movie theaters back in the days. Like, yo, I love this vibe. Hey, grandson.
Yeah.
I want you to get full and eat whatever you can, okay? Because they obviously sold me too much food. I didn't mean to buy all this. I didn't know they was going to give me all this. You know what I mean? A whole cup? Come on, y'all. This is amazing.
Way too much.
Where my baby's going?
Hey, they're going to Fun City.
My
with me
baby's-
and her friend.
My baby's is eating and running.
They're going to have fun at Fun City. You guys been there
Fun
before.
City.
We brought you there before.
We brought you guys to Fun City about 6 months ago. Yep. And it was fun in that city. Y'all see me almost kill myself on a slide the kids was doing. It was crazy. But yeah, this is good. So today I'm rooting for Five Guys. Five Guys. Five Guys. My wife, she's rooting for Jamaica Cuse.
Yes, I am, guys.
That's how the households be
good.
sometimes. The households be like split up. Like one person might want pizza, somebody else want hot dogs. And you're like, damn,
That's right.
we don't even eat together like that because everybody's palate is always different now. And plus, I've been cooking in the kitchen for 15 years for this family. I'm tired.
Enjoy your Five Guys, baby.
Five Guys. It took 5 of y'all to make this. Thank y'all so much for tuning in today, man. This was wonderful.
I just
I didn't
wanna-
even, hold on.
I just want to know if you guys noticed he didn't even let me get any.
She was tearing the chicken up. Look, there's a whole other half a burger right there and mad fries. She wasn't even hungry. She just wanted to see y'all. The nerve of y'all. The nerve of y'all. Y'all gonna cheat on me with my wife? I'm divorcing y'all now. I'm divorcing. Y'all gonna cheat on me with my wife?
It's okay, guys. You'll have fun with Mrs. Syracuse.
She's boring. I'm telling you, all she do, she gonna take y'all to bingo.
That's where I'm headed.
That's it.
That's That's where I'm headed, folks.
Y'all could be sitting with me doing shit, like sipping wine, talking shit about people, you know?
Or you can go with me, win some money.
To bingo. Who cares about money nowadays? The world is ending. We don't give a damn no more. We out here, baby. YOLO! You only live once. YOLO, baby. We don't want no money. We don't want nothing. We just want to be out here. I'm taking this. Hi, baby. Tropical rhythms, y'all. Jamaica Cuse, Syracuse, New York. The food is amazing. The curry chicken here, my wife didn't finish it, but she put a good dent in it. Baby, anything you want to tell the camera before we take off?
I just want to tell the camera. We enjoyed the food.
But they can't see you. They can't even see you, babe. They can't even see you. Of course. So my wife said, what?
We enjoyed the food.
We enjoyed the food, yo. That's all y'all need to know then, I guess. All right. Well, hey, as always, I love you guys for tuning in. Hey, we got a festival or something coming up soon, too, a Winter Fest. That might be the next time I see you guys, man. So until then, I love you. I love you, baby. Know where I learned that song at? I love you, baby. When I was 13 on the porno. Yep. I love y'all.